Good morning guys! White morning! Finally! Makakita na rin ako ng snow sa Jamaica before babalik sa Espanya. Today ang namin guys. Pabalik na kami ng Indianapolis para sa flight namin for tomorrow. So ito yung view guys. Ang galing-galing naman ni snow. Pinaparanas ako ng snow sa Jamaica. So, ito yung lugar kung saan nakatira yung biyanan ko na lalaki. Diba, ang ganda ng view at ang mga bahay ng mga kapitbahay. Ito yung bahay nila.
And she's not doing well. Thanks. There's either I. Where we live is where Picasso is from.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So there's a lot of Picasso stuff there, including a Picasso museum. I thought that was funny.
Yeah, that's what I realized, right? That sometimes there's no direct music translation. It actually is nothing like what our translation of it is.
There certainly was a few times in Korea where something would be translated and it's just like, that's not what that's not what that is. And then sometimes the way that they say certain things is kind of funny. Like I went, used to go to did for a little bit, went to they say it was a language learning center. And somebody would give me an hour worth of free Korean lesson. And in exchange, I did, I think it was 2 hours of a group class where the Koreans would be, speaking English and I would help to correct them occasionally. And remember there was one of those times where
I take the car back time because we may need to get to dinner.
yeah.
Yes, of course.
Guys, welcome to Jamaica. So, bang nani kabaga ang strawberry sa Indianapolis. O, diba? Kasi ang bata. Close the door. Not really. Good morning, Jamaica. So, update sa ating meter. Ito pa rin. Malakas pa rin siya, guys. Time check 9 AM na. Monday. So, muna siya. Baga na kayo siya. Baga na kayo. Snow. Baga na kayo siya. Makapal na siya, guys. Ang ganda. Tingnan kasi super white. Doon kami naglalaro yesterday. So, last din na namin sa'yo is today. And I'm very happy ka. Kapag laro ako ng snow, maganda sana mag-sliding ngayon. Lakas pa rin siya. Diba? Snowing. Lakas. Lakas. Masakinan ko. Super nice talaga sa view eh.
Right-hand-ish lane, and by the Waffle House, there's a gas station. Alright. Get down here to the main line on the first one. Left lane.
I'm sure the solar panels are doing that much.
Probably not today. Hey Jane, I just sent you a friend request on Facebook. I realized that I never have up to this point.
Naglilinis sila ng snow. Ganyan guys, maglinis ng snow. Siya, so our flight is not cancelled. Ang tuloy-tuloy na ang uwi sa Spamya. Oh, wala na nag-snow. Unang INDY airport. INDY.